Hello, I'm Jo Cook, or Lightbulb Jo on Twitter, and my company Lightbulb Moment focuses on webinars and virtual classrooms, which includes video, culture, learning and business. I'm chairing two sessions, one with Barbara Thompson and Jacko van der Wop on video and one with Laura Overton on culture. They're both really important topics that are very prevalent in the business today, so I'm going to be focusing on those right now. Laura Overton says that the data on culture and learning for L&D hasn't changed much over the last 15 years, except that we don't think we can do it. That's why it's important to explore that topic with someone as knowledgeable and experienced as Laura. And then with the video session, well, it's timely for many organisations. Online advertising firm WordStream estimates that this year we'll see video account for 80% of internet traffic, but we need to make sure we're doing it right and get people watching so that they can get the information they need. At the end of either of these sessions, you'll have tips and tools, as well as information to challenge or update your thinking and your work practice. This year, at the end of every conference session, there'll be discussions or activities on just what you are going to be doing differently to basically bridge the gap between the session and your work. I really hope you can join me and our fabulous speakers on either or both days of the conference. Before coming along to LT19 conference this year, consider what you've invested in the ticket and which sessions or networking discussions will have an impact on your work this year so that you can really justify coming back next year and we can all develop our industry.